Middle of nowhere on a road trip, nothing's better than a hot lunch, so I'm cooking hot dogs on the engine / muffler. Come watch. So now we're going to crawl under the car, and you got to choose a good spot on the muffler. There's my muffler. My catalytic converter is up ahead of it, but we got the muffler right here. That's towards the back of the vehicle. The muffler itself doesn't get that hot. It gets warm, but this pipe right here, this is going to leave good grill marks. So the next trick is we need baling wire. Tinfoil can do it. Baling wire really helps out, so you don't lose your lunch. So I got tinfoil in between all the layers of hot dogs. That helps. Put one up here on top. We do got a heat shield. I could probably brace them up above the heat shield. But I'm gonna just strap them to the muffler, tie them off with a good chunk of baling wire. Wrap it up real good with the tinfoil. I'll take another, put one on the bottom. Stay pretty good. I've done steak and potatoes. I've done sausage in Hawaii. It is a fantastic hot lunch, I'm telling you. Maybe we'll jam this one just up on the inside of the heat shield. Just loosely. That should be good. Always bring a little extra in case you burn some or you lose some on the side of the road. There we go. What do you think? 25 miles? I don't know. We'll just drive for a while until we find another good turnoff, and that's when you eat. So, let's see. Look, middle of nowhere. Sorry about the wind, guys. Windy. Let's drive on. Look at this. I didn't even need to bring my own baling wire. There's a chunk right here. Somebody already made hot dogs, and this was their stop before. Hot dogs are cooking. Been about 25 miles. You can smell them. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but they are sizzling. I don't know where the one on the top went. I think I lost the one on the top. Yeah, I think of the one I tucked in up there. It's gone. Woo! Nice and warm. Muffler hot dogs. Look at that. These were on the underside, so they didn't get cooked as well as the ones on the top side. You want a hot dog? It's hot. You're good? You don't want that hot dog off the engine? You want a hot dog? Hey, you want a hot dog? Heck yeah. You better try it. Hot dog off the muffler. Here we go. There we go. Hot dogs off the engine. Not a fan favorite of everybody, but why not? I know, the hot dogs, they had the grill marks like you like. I'm sorry you weren't there. I'm sorry, but can I make it up to you? Can I? Can I? Can I make it up to you? Sit, leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Leave it. Good job. I don't know if I should put that on video that I lost that one.